I'm Rashmi and I'm the head of the Early Childhood and Primary School. And with me today I have Miss Lynn, who is the
Early Childhood Coordinator here.
So welcome to our Early Childhood Unit Share today. You would have seen that our students are really excited to present to you what they've been learning over the past 6 weeks.
Yes.
It's been a beautiful learning journey. Miss Lynn, what are we seeing today?
Alright, so for this unit share, EC2 are exploring more about families and their overarching unit on stories. So they have integrated stories and families into their unit share. While EC3 students are actually given an agency, Mr. Rani, on how they want to design their each station, talking about homes and what they have learned so far.
So yeah, today's been brilliant coming to see Kyle, what he's been doing the past few weeks and months at school, and obviously all the learning that he's been doing coming to life. So it's really nice to see him kind of improving his presentation. So it's been great. It's been great to come today.
I think the more they're aware of other cultures, then they're more open-minded on meeting new people, and I think raising kids nowadays in this environment is just very important, and seeing all different people, all different cultures, they're growing better, I think, just with no previous or prejudice, just like mindset.
So I could really see the importance of unit share because it gives a culmination of all the learnings that they have done and they have learned throughout the unit. And you can actually see the smile on the kids' faces trying to share to their parents what they've learned, and they're very enthusiastic to share it with us. And it's a free flowing of ideas from them. So it triggers them to think beyond the ordinary confined structures of learning, but it's more of a free idea from them. And it's good actually that they are able to express it themselves during this activity.
We are an IBPYP World School, and we really believe in the power of agency in not just how our students are designing stations and sharing their learning, but also how they are involving the community in what they are learning as well. So I've had an amazing time here today, and I hope you all did as well. Thank you from both of us.
Thank you.